All right, we're going to talk more about that in a moment, but I wanted to bring Maureen back because this comes down to instincts. She said, I was in the shower for 2 minutes, and I just had this instinct, and I had to run back downstairs, and in that amount of time, he was gone. What were your instincts when that man put his hand over your mouth?
I didn't know how to process them or how to react, but right away I was thinking, I started asking the questions. What do I do? Should I scream? He told me not to scream. He told me, kill me. Should I do that? Should I run? The questions were there, but as Dina said, we want to educate our kids so that they have a plan. They feel like they have a plan and they can react, and they, you know,
because you said even when you were in the car and you were pulling out of the parking lot, right? You thought,
should I jump out? I'm looking up. There's my mom right up there. What do I do? And I didn't know what to do with those feelings.
So Gary, how do we teach kids that? Because you teach a rad kids class, and instincts is a big part of this.
You got to tell them to trust their gut. And a great example was Hannah Anderson. You know, she was telling people before she was abducted, this guy's giving me the creeps. He's creepy. Signs were telling her something's not right about this guy. And they need to know, react to the situation. If a guy tells you, hey, don't make any noise, he's giving you a clue. You do need to scream. Tell your kids, scream like your life depends on it, because it does. We think it's a lost puppy trick. That only happens about 15% of the time. 85% of the time, they're grabbing that kid. It's physical force.
And I think if you go through a program like Rad Kids where the kids learn how to react like that, it becomes instinctual for them, so they don't have to think about it. They just react because they've done it already. They already know how it works.